Hello, and in today's video I will be showing you how to make a main menu in Scratch. I know that this is a TurboWarp, but it's basically Scratch for desktop, so yeah, it works for TurboWarp and also for Scratch. Let's just get into this, okay? Leave a like and subscribe until the video ends, or the deletion will chop your head off. Alright, the same video with a different set of tools down at that taskbar. Anyway, nobody cares about the taskbar. Let's just get into creating a new sprite. I'll just call it main for the purpose of this video. And we obviously want multiple costumes, okay? So first one is obviously gonna be the background. You guys just do whatever the hell you want. I'll just do a basic purple background. And then we go and green flag click. Repeat 10. We'll do 10 for now, although we will change that later on. Create a clone of myself. Immediately hide it and then press next costume. See, this next costume button, this is the key to everything, because we're going to be checking off clones by costumes. What I'm willing to say is that we will be giving specific costumes specific code. So when they start as a clone and add a forever loop, because and then add an if else statement. So if, now you can do this whichever way you want. Costume number, costume name. I'll do it with costume number. So if costume number is equal to 1, then costume number 1 in the sprite is the background. You're gonna want to set it to 0, and also put it onto the back layer as its background. It's in the literal name. So number 2, we're gonna do the title of the game. And so maybe something like this. Oh, I'm sorry. So I'll just do a basic black thing. It's a bright color, so I'll do black. If it's a dark color, obviously do white. I'll just do something really basic. What do I even do? L3EXC for example. L3EXC, select this, scale it up a little bit. There you go. So if costume numbers at number 2, we still want it to go to 0. We want to go to front layer. Let's just oh wow, I'm an idiot. I forgot to show the clones. And now this is working. Now we want to make the title look a little bit more interesting, so repeat 10 times. So it's constantly, so we add we can't add a forever loop into here. I can add a forever loop. Wait for 1 second. We want to make it blink. Although it is executing the script, it is black, so I'm just gonna change it quickly to white. Change it quickly to white. The costume number, costume number is 2. Now we're gonna make all the buttons, and normally you want 4 buttons. You want play, you want options, you want high scores, and you also want the instructions. We're just gonna quickly base the basic design of all these buttons. Just a quick little red circle. Oh wait, I'll just do a quick little red circle in the center. And I want to place it, you want to place the circle in the center. So because we're going to be repositioning it with X and Y. Select it, copy it, and paste it into literally every single one. To literally every single costume and just change the color. That's literally all you want to do for the basic tutorial. And I am doing this on a basic level, but you if you're serious about making this, you should obviously change the colors and at least put some effort into the UI. Now we have 6 clones, and that's about solved. If we're gonna do a repeat 6, set it to repeat 6. And now if it's number 3, which should be the play button. I'm just gonna make a quick little sprite. Set location, paint, paste it into here, and I'm gonna make it black. $150.20 should minus $150.20 should about do it for these ones. For the top left, and now you want to watch carefully. Positioning is the least important part. Then we want to add the hovering angle is clicked on. So if it's touching the mouse pointer, you want to set the brightness effect up to 10. And if it's touching the pointer and the mouse is clicked, then you want to trigger a message. New message, play. Otherwise, you want to clear all graphics effects. And this is literally all that you need to do for all 4 of the buttons except change the coordinates and the costume number. So number 4, it's the options button. So you're gonna make a new message, title it options. Then into this else you add the number 4, copy it off, and then number 5, minus 150, minus 20. It's the high scores button. You wanna add a high score, and if it is number 6, then you want it HDR. I'm sorry for the typo. I'm sorry for the typo, guys. And if we execute the screen, oh wow, they are way too close for comfort. They're way too close for comfort, and these two are at the literal same coordinates. So we're gonna move on to 150. As you can see, if you hover over these things, well, it's not really working for the red one. I'll need to tone down the color. Nice, we should do it. This should about do it. As you can see, all 4 of them light up, and if you trigger this one correctly, nothing is happening. Now that's because we didn't set the message. You guys can set your own message. You guys can set your own messages to do what you want them to do later on down the line. You see how I deleted the clones? You want to add to every 4 scripts to trigger when a button is pressed to delete this clone. Now you can add them over there, but I'm not sure if it's gonna work that well. Well, instead what I like to do is add them right about here, somewhere else. And look, if I press the buttons now, it just deletes the main menu. And that would be how you make a main menu. If you want to make some different type of UI, it's basically the same thing. You just want to change up some stuff and coordinates and everything. And yeah, that'd be about it. Yeah, leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.